Most new YouTube channels don't fail because they're bad. They fail because they do this one thing wrong in the first 30 days. If your videos get no views, no subscribers, and no momentum, it's not the algorithm hating you, it's the signals you're sending. Let me explain. The first reason most channels fail is random content. One day it's YouTube tips, next day it's motivation, then a random viral trend. To YouTube, that looks like a channel with no clear audience, and when YouTube doesn't know who to show your video to, it shows it to nobody. Second reason, long, boring intros. New creators waste the first 20 seconds saying, "Welcome back to my channel," but viewers don't care who you are yet. They care about their problem. If they click away in the first 10 seconds, YouTube stops testing your video. Third reason, chasing subscribers instead of watch time. Subscribers don't grow channels, watch time does. If people don't stay, YouTube won't push your content, no matter how good it is. The fix is simple. One topic, short videos, strong hooks, and consistency for 30 days. That's how you train the algorithm to trust you. In the next video, I'll explain how the YouTube algorithm actually works for small channels. Watch that next.